For example, let us find it for x is equal to 3.5. That is we find a root under 3.5 geometrically. Mark the distance. Here see the figure 1.15. Mark the distance 3.5 units from a fixed point A on a given line to obtain a point B such that AB is equal to 3.5 units. See the figure 1.15. From B, mark a distance of 1 unit and mark the new point C. Find the midpoint of here to there it is the 3.5 centimeter. You extend 1 unit till C. Now AC is the distance. You can find here the midpoint of AC at O. So here to there 3.5 plus 1 by 2. So OA is equal to OD is equal to OC. The distance will be the same. More generally, so find the midpoint of AC and mark it as a point as O. Draw a semicircle with the center O and the radius OC. Draw a line perpendicular to AC passing through B and intersecting the semicircle at D. Then BD is equal to root under 3.5. So here you have to put the perpendicular distance from B which will intersect the semicircle at D. Then this BD is equal to root under 3.5. More generally, to find the root x for any positive real number x, we mark B so that AB is equal to x units, and as in figure 1.16 mark C so that BC is equal to 1 unit. Then as we have done for the case x is equal to 3.5, we find BD is equal to root x. Similarly, same thing here. A to B, point A to B, say it is a x, then we extend this AB till C as a unit. Now here A to C you have to find out the midpoint at 0, or you can say O, and and put a semicircle, putting that OA is equal to radius, draw a semicircle, and uh, from B draw a perpendicular which will intersect the semicircle at D. Then BD will be the root x. How possible? Now BD you have to find out. This BD is equal to root x. How? BD square is equal to this OD. This OD, because here to there this is a right angle triangle. So this BD is equal to OD square minus OB square. Now first you find out the OB. Here OA is equal to OD is equal to OC. That is, this is the here x plus 1 by 2. This is the value of x plus 1 by 2 is the value of OD. Now that OB is equal to x. Here to there it is x. So x minus OA. OA is equal to OD. So OD is equal to x plus 1 by 2. So OB is equal to x minus x plus 1 by 2, and finally it is x minus 1 by 2. Now put the value here, OD square minus OB square, that is x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square, and finally after solution you will get that BD square is equal to x, and so BD is equal to root under x. So this distance BD is equal to root under x. And now you can put as a radius, and you can draw an arc which will cut here at this point. So here till B to E, you say this is the point E, and that B is the representation of root x on the number line, and you can say this B as origin. This page number it is 21. This construction gives us a visual and the geometric way of showing that root x exists for all real number which is greater than 0. If you want to know the position of root x on the number line, then let us treat the line BC as the number line with B as a 0 and C as a unit 1 and so on. Draw an arc with the center B and radius BD which intersect the number line in E. Then E represent the root x. Here this is the this is the representation of root x. Here to there, it is the root x. We would like to now extend the idea of a square root of cube root, fourth roots, and in general nth root, where n is a positive integer. Recall your understanding of square root and the cube root from earlier classes. That what is the cube root of 8? Well, we know it has to be some positive number whose cube is 8, and you must have guessed cubic root of 8 is equal to 2. Let us try 2, 4, 3 and uh, uh, under root of 5. Do you know some number b such that b to the power 5 is equal to 2, 4, 3? The answer is 3. Therefore root under, it is the 5 cubic root, 5 root you have to find out of the 2, 4, 3, that is 3. From these examples, can you define the n root of a for the real number a is greater than 0 and a positive integer n? Let a is greater than 0 be a real number, then n be a positive integer, then b is equal to root under a, it is the n root. If b to the power n is equal to a and b is greater than 0, note that the symbol, this symbol used in root 2, cubic root 8 and n root of a, etc. is called the radical sign. We now list some identities relating to the square root which are useful in various ways. You are already familiar with some of these from your earlier classes. The remaining ones follow from the distributive law of multiplication over addition of real numbers and from the identity x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square for any real number x and y. Let a and b be positive real number, then root under ab is equal to root under a into root under b. Root under a by b is equal to root under a by root under b. You have to remember all this. So root under a plus root under b into root under a minus root under b is equal to a minus b. A plus root b into a minus root b is equal to a square minus b. Similarly, root under a plus root under b in bracket root under c plus d is equal to root under ac plus root under ad plus root under bc plus root under bd. And last one, root under a plus root under b whole square is equal to a plus root 2b 2 into root ab plus b. You have to remember all these. We will solve some examples here. Example number 16 we will solve now, and we will go further.